Are you really sure you know how to properly clean your arteries? I mean, let's be honest. Many of us rely on quick tips we find online, right? But here's the thing. One wrong move or misguided advice could send you straight to the ER. Imagine this: a blood clot breaking loose or a cholesterol plaque blocking a vital artery. Scary, isn't it? This can lead to a stroke or even a heart attack. And the truth? Cholesterol deposits and blood clots don't care how young or healthy you think you are. Over time, our arteries naturally clog, no matter how fit you seem. But don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we're diving into the science of keeping your arteries squeaky clean, slowing down aging, and boosting your heart health naturally. You'll learn about the everyday fruit that can work magic for your arteries, a simple exercise that keeps your blood vessels in shape, a powerful youth-boosting elixir you can make at home, and how to support your artery health without relying on medications. First, let's talk about what clogs your arteries in the first place. Over time, cholesterol, fats, and cellular debris stick to the walls of your arteries, forming a substance called plaque. When this builds up, it narrows the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow. And if a piece of this plaque breaks off, that's when things get dangerous. It can cause a blockage, leading to heart attacks, strokes, or other life-threatening conditions. Sounds grim, right? But the good news is, with the right steps, you can slow down or even reverse this process. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 3 people over the age of 55 face cardiovascular issues, and that's just the ones who actually visit the doctor. The rest of us might be walking around with silent risks and not even know it. But here's the good news. You have the power to reverse the clock. Your arteries can actually be up to 20 years younger than your real age. Yes, we're talking about vascular age. This isn't just some buzzword. It's a real measure of how healthy and elastic your blood vessels are. With the right lifestyle tweaks and artery-cleansing habits, you can turn back time and avoid 80% of the problems that lead to heart disease and strokes. Your arteries and veins function like a complex highway system within your body. Arteries act as the major highways, delivering oxygen and nutrients from your heart to the rest of your organs. Veins are the return roads, carrying blood back to the heart. Capillaries, the tiniest vessels, are like narrow back streets, ensuring that every cell in your body gets the resources it needs. However, just like in a busy city, when there's a traffic jam, in this case, a blockage or narrowing in your arteries, everything slows down or stops entirely. This can lead to dangerous consequences. For example, if blood flow to your brain is blocked, it can result in a stroke, which often starts with narrowing arteries in the neck. This narrowing, known as stenosis, often occurs in the carotid arteries located on the sides of your neck. These arteries are critical, supplying oxygen-rich blood to your brain. Over time, cholesterol plaque can accumulate, making it increasingly difficult for blood to pass through. Imagine trying to walk along a forest trail that's blocked by fallen branches. It's the same idea. The blood struggles to flow, and your brain doesn't get the supply it needs. The tricky part? Symptoms of carotid artery narrowing often go unnoticed or are brushed off as just part of getting older. Have you ever experienced dizziness, weakness, vision problems, or trouble with balance? These could be subtle but crucial early warning signs. Plaque doesn't stop at your neck. It also loves to build up in the arteries of your legs. This can lead to a condition called intermittent claudication. How can you tell if it's happening? If your leg arteries are severely narrowed, you'll likely feel sharp pain in your calves when you walk. It's so intense that you might have to stop and rest before you can keep moving. That pause allows blood to flow more easily, temporarily relieving the discomfort. But don't ignore this symptom. It's a major red flag that your arteries need attention. So, can home remedies actually help? Absolutely. And 3 standout natural allies are garlic, ginger, and green tea. These ingredients have been praised for their health benefits, particularly when it comes to heart and artery health. Garlic and ginger are known for their ability to lower cholesterol and improve circulation, which helps keep your arteries clear. Green tea, on the other hand, has been a staple in Chinese culture for over 4,000 years and is loaded with powerful antioxidants that support overall heart health. Take a look at Japan, where green tea is a way of life. People there consume it daily and have some of the longest life expectancies in the world. But it's not just about living long. It's about living well. Many older adults in Japan remain active and energetic well into their golden years, and some researchers believe green tea plays a significant role in this. Studies suggest it can improve memory, focus, and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Pretty amazing, right? If you're wondering how to brew green tea for the best results, there's a method to it. Don't use boiling water. High temperatures can destroy the delicate antioxidants in the tea. Instead, aim for water at 65 to 80 degrees Celsius. Use about 1 teaspoon of tea leaves per cup and let it steep for just 3 minutes. Any longer, and you'll end up with a bitter brew. This simple trick ensures you're getting the maximum health benefits and a delicious cup of tea to boot. Now, let's talk about a simple yet powerful exercise called the vascular pump. Can you really train your arteries? It might sound surprising, but yes, you can. While we often think of working out muscles, your arteries also benefit from movement that strengthens their walls and improves their flexibility. This exercise is quick, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Want to give it a try? Let's do it together. Step 1. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Rise up onto your toes, lift your arms overhead, and inhale deeply for 5 seconds. Step 2. Gently drop back down onto your heels, bend forward, lower your arms, and exhale slowly for 5 seconds. Simple, right? Repeat this exercise 10 to 12 times as part of your daily routine. But a quick word of caution: if you feel dizzy or uncomfortable at any point, stop immediately and rest. This exercise not only helps improve blood flow, but also supports the elasticity of your arteries. So far, we've covered foods and exercises for keeping your arteries healthy. But here's the next big question. Why is elasticity so important for your blood vessels? Imagine your blood vessels can dance. This movement is called vasomotion. It's a natural process that allows your arteries to expand and contract to help regulate blood flow. However, as we age, this ability diminishes, increasing the risk of blockages. Keeping your arteries flexible is crucial for maintaining healthy circulation and preventing serious health issues. Up next, we'll share some tried and true recipes to keep your arteries as elastic as possible. What is vasomotion? It's your blood vessels' remarkable ability to expand and contract based on your body's needs. For instance, when you're cold, your blood vessels shrink to conserve heat. When you're hot, they widen to help cool you down. This flexibility is essential for maintaining good health. Take exercise as an example. When your muscles need more oxygen, your arteries expand to deliver it efficiently. But as we age, our arteries can stiffen, losing this crucial adaptability. Imagine an old, brittle rubber hose that can no longer bend or stretch. This is what happens when arterial elasticity fades. The good news is that you can take steps to help your arteries stay elastic. One popular method is taking contrast showers, where you alternate between hot and cold water. The idea is that the temperature changes stimulate your blood vessels, encouraging them to contract and expand. However, if you're new to this practice, especially if you're older or have health concerns, proceed with caution. While some people swear by contrast showers, there isn't enough conclusive scientific evidence to recommend them for everyone. If you're generally healthy and enjoy cold showers, go for it. But if you have heart issues like coronary artery disease, cold water could trigger an arterial spasm, which is risky. Always prioritize your safety. Looking for a natural way to keep your arteries youthful? Here's a classic recipe. Take 1 cup of buckwheat, 3 garlic cloves, and a liter of kefir. Soak the buckwheat overnight, rinse it in the morning, and blend it with kefir. Add the minced garlic, then let the mixture sit in the fridge for 12 hours. Take 1/4 cup of this elixir 30 minutes before meals, 3 times a day, for 10 days. It's a time-tested way to support arterial health naturally. Wondering if such simple ingredients can actually work? Let's break it down. Buckwheat is rich in rutin, a powerful compound that helps lower bad cholesterol and strengthens artery walls. Garlic, often called nature's antibiotic, is also an excellent antioxidant that protects against oxidative damage. Kefir, on the other hand, supports gut health, which has a surprising connection to cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and promoting better nutrient absorption. Together, these ingredients create a powerful elixir for your arteries. Looking for more natural recipes to support vascular health? Here are a few bonus remedies. 1. Pumpkin blend. Combine 200 grams of raw pumpkin, 30 grams of raisins, and 30 grams of sprouted wheat with a bit of honey. Take a spoonful daily to help manage high blood pressure. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Packed with magnesium and vitamin K, these seeds help prevent excessive blood clotting while promoting healthy circulation. 3. Flaxseed. Known for improving artery flexibility, flaxseed can be sprinkled on salads or made into a jelly-like drink by simmering in water. 4. Bay leaf tea. Brew 25 bay leaves in 300 milliliters of boiling water. Sip slowly over 3 evenings, then take a week off and repeat the process. Femta Street. John's wort. Boil 100 grams of the herb in 2 liters of water, let it cool, strain, add honey, and drink half a glass 2 to 3 times a day for its anti-inflammatory and heart-friendly properties. Hawthorn tea. Use 30 grams of berries to make a tea that supports both heart health and nervous system balance. For more fascinating tips on the benefits and risks of natural ingredients, as well as remedies discussed by various physicians, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your family and friends. Together, let's make health a priority.